There we go, we're back in the river and we're rapidly moving the opposite direction we were a few hours ago. Man, that current is ripping. If I were to stay on this river, it would take me to a lake full of icebergs and an enormous glacier that's calving into the lake. I really want to go see that, but that'll have to wait for tomorrow. Oh, son of a gun. Well, that wasn't great. Well, there we go. We caught dinner and survived to tell the tale. It was a little cold last night, and it's supposed to get even colder as the week goes on. So I'm gonna bust out my stove. All right, I think it's time to cook some fish. And a little bit of maple syrup. There we go. Put it in the smoke, but out of the heat.